Yo guys, welcome to an epic RC drag session coming to you from the heart of London. Today it's my team associated 14MT taking on ADHD RCs 124 028 in a head-to-head showdown. Who's got the fastest car? Who's got the sexiest car? Let's find out. Alright guys, so I'm out here in Finsbury Park today. Finsbury Park, North London. Alright, so we're out to test this team associated Reflux 14MT and put it through its paces. We've got a lovely area here. So let's see how this little thing does. Because eventually we're going to turn this into an FPV, paint it pink, call it Stinky Pinky, and team up with ADHD RC. So let's see how it performs. Alright guys, so with me today we've got ADHD RC.
Yes guys, what's up?
Yeah, and we've got Baldy RC.
What's up, Baldy RC?
So if you're not following, log into the guys, yeah?
I love chat.
So in here, got these small batteries, never used these before. Dean's connector, we've got a Reedy motor and ESC.
Unfreaking believable.
Boom, what's up guys? ADHD RC here on Spread Love RC's channel, my bro. While I'm out here guys, I'm out here reviewing this WLtoys 12426232, and I'm joking, that's not the number guys, but I don't remember the number right now, but it's a new WLtoys Desert Buggy. I reviewed it. So far it survived everything I've thrown at it. The only thing that's gone missing is the rear wheel off the back and the front bumper. All the lights are working still. All the wheels are driving, everything's working still, so yeah guys. But there's a review if you're interested in this car over on my channel, ADHD RC. But right now I'm out here with my bro and we're gonna just battle this little car, cheap WLtoys, against his team associated, more expensive, more premium RC car guys. And this is it here. We're gonna see who wins the race.
Race, mate, yeah?
Yeah, got some speed.
Alright, we've got drag race here.
Drag race, you want drag race?
Yeah, it's drag race.
Cool guys, so Spread Love, we're gonna drag race. WLtoys versus the team associated. Alright, go on.
3, 2, 1, go!
What? WLtoys. Yo, WLtoys got some speed.
Wait a minute, is that the max? Ross.
That is tunable, remember?
Yeah,
That shit
this
I
one,
got,
yeah.
Yeah, your thing is tunable.
Yeah.
That thing I got in there is not. It's just.
It is what it is.
Are you ready?
Alright, 3, 2, 1, go!
I'm back.
I'm back.
Oh shit. Oh shit. Ah. Oh, you got me that time. You got me that time, guys. I was trying to do. Wait, they're gonna go like them guys. Are we gonna WLtoys, guys? Are we gonna race the team associated? Yay! Bro, I told you.
Yes.
You ready, yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, come on, closer, man. Please be close, close. Just mind that rapture. Come this side.
When you gonna do for the camera now? Alright guys, let's do this.
Alright, cool. You ready, yeah?
I'm ready. You ready?
Win.
I want to win for most of it, and then towards the end.
I'll give you 2 seconds. 1, 2, go.
Fuck, nah, let's start again, man. It's going all over the place.
Dust, man. You gotta know how to accelerate on the dust.
3, 2, 1, go. And round the thing.
I can't see that, bro. That's already my fence. I did that coming a bit early, still. Okay, go again.
Yeah, let's go again, man.
Ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1, go. Hold it back.
Ah, man.
Right, come start again. Come. I'm trying to get such rap. I'm going to tell you the Wizards, you know. I forgot he was recorded. 3, 2, 1, go. Safe! Yeah, let's keep going.
2.
No, you don't. Bro, I think you came across some stones and you twitched your steering and the back just started spinning, fam. Yeah. And that's how I caught up so quick, because the back was like spinning. Yo, you can't turn on them things there. Look at them snakes. They're problems. That was a mad thing. Yeah, batteries.
Yo guys, so that is a wrap for this video. The team associated Brushless 14MT. They should have called it MT14, but that's what they called it. That's a little mover. Tough. Only thing I've noticed, it was overheating a bit too quickly for my liking, but we were giving it straight laps. But it's good, it will do the job within converting this into an FPV. Had a few tumbles today, but it handled itself well. I am going to buy another body for this tomorrow so I can paint it Stinky Pinky Pink, yeah? So it's a new member to the Stinky Pinky family. If you don't know what Stinky Pinky is, just look out for shit. You will see Stinky Pinky. If you like what you've seen today and you had fun, would spread love and the guys, yeah, please like, share, subscribe and tune in for more stuff coming, yeah? Peace.